Hey everyone. So we are solving another LeetCode question, question number 2176. Count equal and divisible pair in an array. A beginner-friendly brute force problem from LeetCode. So first we'll read our question, then we'll go to our problem understanding, then we will discuss the brute force idea and do the dry run and then execute the code. So let's start with reading the question first. Given a zero index integer array nums of length n and an integer k, it is the number of pair I and j where 0 is less than equals to I less than equals to j less than equals to n, such that nums I is equals to num j and I into j is divisible by k. So this is the condition we have given. So let's take an example and understand the question fastly. So nums, this is the array given us to given us 3 1 2 2 2 1 3. K is 2, so k an integer. Okay. So output is for how? There are 4 pairs that meet all the requirements. Okay. What we have to do? We have to check nums I equals to nums j. Okay. Then when this condition meets nums I and nums j, then we have to check I into j is divisible by k. Okay. So nums on index 0, 3 and index 6, 3. 3 and 3 is equal. First condition meet. And then 0, uh, index number 0 and 6. 0, 6, 0 is divisible by true? True. Like this all. So how many of them are followed this condition? 4. So the output is 4. I hope you understand this. We are given array nums integer k. We need to count pairs I and j such that I is smaller than j. Nums I is equals to nums j and I into j is divisible by k. Simple. So what does divisible mean? Divisible. I think we don't have to discuss this thing. All everybody knows. So what will be the brute force idea for this? We simply generate all possible pair, check both condition. Why brute force? Because constraints are only 100. As you can see here, constraints. One is less than equals to nums dot length less than equals to 100, and one is less than equals to nums I comma k less than equals to 100. So constraints are only 100. So O n square solution is completely fine. So let's do the try run. So suppose we have to suppose, okay, nums equals to 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1 comma 3. Wow. Now k is 2. Okay. Now what we have to check 2 comma 3 means nums 2 is equals to nums 3 is equals to 2. Got it? Now 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So 6 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. So it's a valid pair. I hope you understand this. Let's comment this out quickly. Cut this out. Paste it right above our question as we do in every of our questions. Okay. Now the code execution. We have to count how many are pairs. So we have to initialize the count, obviously. So in starting it will be 0. Now we will make an outer loop with select first index. For int I equals to 0, I is nums dot size I plus. Now we'll make an inner loop that selects second index. For j is equals to 0, j less than dot size j plus. Yep. So what are the conditions? First we have to check value must be equal. Then we will check product of index divisible by k. So first if nums I equals to nums j. Not will be increase not plus plus. Now what we have to do, return count. That's what we are answering. Now let's check the code test case. Yeah, okay. Like that, made a mistake. Who's that? Accepted four. Yeah. Here is not zero. Here is I plus one. No, I made a mistake. Let's check again. As you can see, test case passed. Here, the output will be 4. Means there are 4 possible. There are 0. So I hope you understand this. If you understand this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. This was a great beginner pair checking problem. Follow for more daily disable. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. See ya. Bye bye. Tata.